All right, sopranos. This is our first really big anthem, even though it's quite repetitive. You'll notice that there are going to be 14 pages to this one, but it's really a verse and chorus kind of setup. It's a Southern gospel piece arranged for choir. The first thing I'm going to do for you sopranos is we're going to flip over to page 11. Here we are. And you're going to notice here that at the last verse, right here at around the throne, in the middle of the page, you'll see that it splits to high notes. If we sing the high G, it'll just be Mara. Mara will sing the G. All other sopranos will sing the middle note, the D, right in the middle. And then we change keys, and then there's quite a bunch of soprano splitting from here on out on the next few pages to the end. So let's take a look at that and how it will be sung. You'll see here the divisi starts at the end of the first line of angels. I've actually added in a note for the second sopranos on angels there, on the long notes going into the second line there. You'll just hold over the same note. This is starting at I'll be singing. So instead of going up, you just go down to the notes that's written and then back to the soprano line. We do the same thing there even though I did not write it in that time. Okay, so we'll do the same thing there, round the throne. Stick to that middle note. I'm sorry I did not write that in there before making this video. Again, continuing on at measure 107. You'll notice this repeats. Longer note. So. And we're actually going to skip ahead here. So you'll notice that I've X'd out 2 measures there. This applies to everyone, not just sopranos, but I've written in your note there at measure 118. We're taking out 119 and just replacing it with 121. Now notice, Mara, that I've taken off that A flat. If you feel so led to do it, don't do it at the very beginning there. We'll do the throne. So here's the top note, and then it goes up, and then here. If you do the A flat, we'll add Jessica on the top note. The throne. Jessica will go down, and Mara will go up. The throne. And then with the other notes, so that will be 3 soprano notes. Second sopranos will just sing that middle note. The throne. And you'll just stay right on it. You'll move with the 2 sopranos, but come back down to the same note. Those are the 3 soprano notes at measure 123. So let's go back to the beginning, and you'll notice what I mean by it repeating quite a bit. So look for me around the throne. I won't play the introduction right now. The men sing. Come back in here, ladies. Change keys. Sorry. 2, 3. and we'll clean that up in rehearsal. Good luck!